The best way for you guys to build your team's credit is to add them as an authorized user on your credit cards, or if you guys don't add them as an authorized user, when they turn 18, go ahead and help them with the basic accounts like Kickoff, Capital One, Discover, Navy Federal, because these credit cards can help build a team's credit very fast. They can also do a self account, but you can wait till they're 18. Now, if you guys start really building your credit right now with a lot of good credit cards, you can add them as an authorized user, and that could possibly push their credit scores to the 700s, and then they still on their own can get the Capital One, Navy Federal, and Discover. So go ahead and add them as an authorized user, and when they turn 18 they can get their own account, and that can really help them. Now, I do have some videos about teens, but it's really basically what I just told you. If you add them as an authorized user, that will help really boost their credit score. They can go ahead and get some of their own credit cards when they turn 18 too. But I just tell parents, like, right now is the crucial stage for you to start building your own credit so that you can go ahead and add them as an authorized user when they turn 18. And if you really set your kids up good, maybe start helping them work in your business, they have their own IRA, then they can borrow some of that money to actually buy them a property when they turn 18. Add them as an authorized user, and they should have some great credit. But just try the basics. When they turn 18, then they can get any of these accounts, but start with those really first building accounts like Navy Federal, Capital One, Discover, Kickoff, Self. They can start with those to really start building a credit. But you start first with you building your credit, get you some good credit cards so that you can add them as an authorized user, and then their credit score will automatically go up. Their credit will already be kind of built. Some people do get accounts for their kids while they're underage. You can definitely do that, but a lot of times they're going to ask, how old is your kids, and things like that. So I don't want to tell people to do something that they shouldn't do. So look into that. If you decide you want to get them their own accounts, go ahead and get them their